So you've done a full activation, then we're going to go through this circuit. Enjoy. Breathing in initially, raising yourself up to a 3/4 hold and exhaling as you hold for 5 seconds. The initial movement has no momentum, just a normal core contraction to take you up to this position. If there is any pain, as always, with any of these exercises, stop immediately. Dead bugs. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat with all limbs into the air and then extend opposite arm to opposite leg. Your end range is if your lower back starts to lift off the floor. Keep it pressed into the mat throughout the whole exercise. In a 4-point position, contract your core and then extend opposite arm to opposite leg with a momentary hold at the end. Bring your breathing into syncopate for each repetition. Lying flat, prone on the floor, breathing in and then elevate your upper body and lower body whilst breathing out with a 5-second hold. In the low plane plank position with core contracted and glutes in a positive position so there is zero compression on the lower spine, hold for the allotted time. In a high plane plank position with your hands stacked underneath your pecs, raise the glutes whilst breathing out for an opposite foot toe touch. Keep the breathing going per each rep. With back swimmers, elevate your upper body and then rotate towards the opposite foot. Breathing for each repetition as you go. With the hands close to your head, lift the upper right quadrant of the body, rotating the head out to view across the landscape. Breathing for each repetition. Reverse crunch, stabilizing with your hands, keeping your back pressed into the mat, tap the heels and drive vertically up to the sky. If this causes any problems, stop immediately. This is a bilateral and unilateral banded glute bridge circuit. The band is reused to elevate the resistance through the glutes in order to increase firing potential. Breathing for each rep as you go, from bilateral to unilateral, switching sides. In a balanced seated position, from left to right whilst breathing once each per repetition, rotate the upper body whilst keeping the lower body stable. Short twist sit-ups. Aim to take the elbow past the knee of the opposite leg whilst breathing out on the upward phase and in on the downward phase. Finishing with a post-exhaust low plane plank, bringing your breathing in as you hold.